Borrowing a laptop from the self-issue laptop lockers cabinet. If there are laptops available to borrow, the locker lights will be blue. But if the lights are red or off, these laptops are not available to borrow. Touch Borrow Laptop on the touch screen. Place your student ID card against the card reader below the touchscreen when prompted. This may work slowly, so please be patient and do not keep touching the screen. Touch Accept on the touch screen. The screen will display a locker number. The light on this locker will flash white and the door will open. Unplug the laptop from the locker, take it out of the locker and close the door. Power cables are not issued with these laptops. Your loan time is 3 hours. You will receive an email if you do not return the laptop, so please return on time. If the screen tells you that there are no laptops available, try touching Lower Access Laptops. If there are still no laptops available, please contact the LRC team for help. Returning a laptop to the self-issue laptop lockers cabinet. Touch Return Laptop on the touch screen. Place your student ID card against the card reader below the touch screen when prompted. This may work slowly, so please be patient and do not keep touching the screen. The screen will now display a locker number where you need to return your laptop. The locker light will flash white and the door will open. Put the laptop inside the locker, connect the power cable to the laptop and close the door. You must connect the power cable to the laptop, otherwise the laptop does not show as returned on our system and you will receive emails asking for the return of the laptop. Remember, if you need help, please contact the LRC team.